What's going on, guys? Tyler from Allen Edge. Wanted to give you guys a little walkthrough of our most popular unit here. It's going to be the ILX-W650. Let's go over and check it all out. So first and foremost, you're going to see the main screen here. A lot of people don't know, you hold down the squares, unit's going to turn off. Put it back. It's back on. It's going to go back to your last set default. We can go over to radio. So it's going to be set on a radio station. If you want to hold one in, you'll see it change preset. You guys can go FM2, FM3, AM, hold it down, it'll change it. We'll go back. You obviously have the volume up, volume down, mute. Siri button's pretty cool too. I like how Alpine does that a lot too. As soon as the unit is plugged in via CarPlay to the supplied USB, you can actually hit the volume button, it'll trigger Siri, and you could ask her to do different things such as location, go to different places through Apple Maps, send text messages, call people, different things. It's pretty nice. The other thing it does too, no cameras hooked up. You guys can see the grid lines hooked up right now too, is if you hook up a camera that has ignition or reverse supplied, obviously when the car's in reverse, the camera image will show up. Or if you hook it up to ignition, you can actually turn the camera view on by hitting the cam button. The other nice thing about this ILX-W650 is it actually has dual camera inputs. For a lot of you lowered vehicle guys or anybody that has a long nose, Corvette Viper owners, you guys can actually put a front camera on so you don't run it into parking blocks. And you can go to the setup as well too. So this is where you can itemize different sounds. So for most people, you can do just the standard fade and balance. This is what I really like about this unit. It's really easy to use. You got the bass, mid, treb, preset EQs. Symbol for control, so you can turn it on and off, and then the level. What I also like is you can hit advanced, and all these things change. So you can actually go to preset crossovers for different, outputs. So front, rear, sub. You can do preset EQs, and then you can do time alignment as well too. You can also do that in milliseconds, centimeters, inches, so different distances or time. So it'll calculate all that. So again, you can just, do all sorts of time alignment as well. So for a $299 CarPlay unit, this thing is feature packed. Again, Bluetooth for hands-free calling, audio streaming, Sirius XM with compatible SXV300 tuner, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, has full audio controls built in. This is a really nice unit, guys. If you guys have any questions about this thing, give us a call, 310-542-5588.